Hello, I'm Kareem Al-Sinan, Senior Product Engineer for the Custom IC division at Siemens. In this video, we'll look at filtering in Table View in Library Manager and how it helps users narrow down large sets of information more quickly and efficiently. When working with many libraries, cells, or views, table-based filtering makes it easier to focus on exactly the data you need without manually scanning through the full list. Here in Table View, Library Manager presents design information in a structured tabular format. This view is very useful, especially when you want to compare entries across columns or work with a large set of objects. But as the amount of data grows, locating specific items manually can become slower and less efficient. This is where filtering becomes particularly valuable. Filtering allows you to reduce the visible data set based on the criteria that matters for your current task. To filter a column, open its filter control. The filter dialog provides a search field along with matching options that help control how the filter is applied. These include case, whole, and wildcard, giving users more flexibility in how they search for matching values. The dialog also shows the available values for that column, allowing users to select or clear entries directly. These options make the filtering process more precise. Case allows for the filter to respect letter casing, which is useful when uppercase and lowercase values need to be treated differently. Whole lets users match the complete value rather than a partial text match, helping narrow results more accurately. Wildcard allows pattern-based searching, which is helpful when users know part of a name or want to match a broader set of related entries. Together, these options give users more control over how values are matched in Table View. To apply a filter, we can enter a value in the search field and review its matching entries shown in the list. Let's see a quick example of that. As you can see, when you start typing in the search field, it will display the results that it can find on that specific list. Let's try another example by enabling case changes to search so it respects capitalization. Now let's enable whole, which will narrow the match to a complete value only. And lastly, using a wildcard would support a more flexible pattern matching when the exact text may not be fully known. These different options make filtering process more adaptable depending on how specific or broad the search needs to be. In addition to text-based searching, the filter dialog also supports direct selection from the available value list. You can use the checkboxes to include or exclude specific entries, or start from select all and narrow the list to just the values you want to display. This gives users another convenient way to filter the table, especially when the target values are already visible in the list. When the filter view is no longer needed, you can use the clear filter to remove the filtering criteria and restore the full table. The main advantage of filtering in Table View is efficiency. Instead of manually scanning large tables, users can narrow results quickly using search text, exact matching behavior, wildcard support, and direct value selection. So in Library Manager, filtering in Table View provides a fast and flexible way to focus on the data that matters most. With support for case, whole, and wildcard matching, along with selectable values in the filter dialog, users can refine results more precisely and work more efficiently in large tables.